Hello besties. It's actually pretty cold today, but I have an appointment. I have to get my eyebrows done and my legs waxed at 12. It's 11:56. I got here like 2 minutes ago actually. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I probably won't film in there because it's more of an intimate setting and I feel weird bringing a camera in there, but yeah, this is the start to my birthday maintenance, or this week's maintenance. I don't know, I have too much going on this week. It's just a little overwhelming for me right now, but at least we're starting. I'll be back.
So many things have taken place before this love affair began.
Alright, so got our legs waxed, we got our eyebrows done. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I will tint them. Today is Saturday. I'll probably tint them Monday night, Tuesday night, which I will show in the vlog, but they definitely do look better. I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but that's all the self-maintenance for today, I believe, because everything else I'm doing another day. But yes, oh my gosh, I feel like I look and feel a mess, but it is a couple days later. I'm doing my nails. We do gel X over here. I believe I'm gonna do French tip. I originally wanted to do this, but I don't know, I just feel like regular French tip will go with anything else like that I'm wearing all the other days. So it's like, let's just do regular French tip, and I haven't done regular French tip in months. So this is the length that I have right now. I don't even know if y'all can see it. I might go shorter honestly, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to see. But I'm really taking my time because it's Tuesday and my birthday is on Sunday. Girl, like, you need to last.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. I'm long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. I'm long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
See when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone.
So many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on without you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, and my heart can't take no more. No more.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I